Some people ask me what is the best way to relax in Latvia in summertime. Well, you should definitely come to the countryside. It is so peaceful, you can just relax and listen to the silence. And have a day in the sun. Or take a swim in the pond or a lake. And it's just so relaxing and very quiet and peaceful all the time. You won't even notice any trouble or anything. Definitely go to the countryside.